A baby shower is a special occasion to celebrate the upcoming arrival of a new baby and to shower the mom-to-be with love and gifts. However, there are some etiquette rules that you should follow to make sure the party is enjoyable and respectful for everyone involved. Here are some of the common questions and answers about baby shower etiquette. 1. Who should host the baby shower? Traditionally, a close friend or a relative of the mom-to-be would host the baby shower, but nowadays, anyone can host it, except for the mom-to-be and her partner. It is also acceptable to have co-hosts to share the responsibilities and costs of the party. 2. When should the baby shower be held? The ideal time to have a baby shower is between 6 to 8 weeks before the due date. This way, the mom-to-be can still enjoy the party without feeling too uncomfortable or anxious. However, some people prefer to have a baby shower after the baby is born, so they can introduce the baby to their guests and receive gender-specific gifts. 3. Who should be invited to the baby shower? The guest list should be determined by the mom-to-be's preferences and needs. She should have a say in who she wants to invite and how many people she can accommodate. Generally, the guests should be close friends and family members of the mom-to-be, as well as her partner and their friends and family if it is a co-ed shower. It is also polite to invite anyone who has invited the mom-to-be to their own baby shower in the past. 4. How should the invitations be sent? The invitations should be sent at least 6 weeks before the baby shower, either by mail or email. The invitations should include all the relevant details, such as the date, time, location, theme, RSVP information, and registry information. It is also helpful to include directions and parking instructions for the venue. 5. What should be served at the baby shower? The food and drinks at the baby shower should be easy to prepare and serve, as well as cater to any dietary restrictions or allergies of the guests. The menu can be based on the theme of the party, the time of day, and the budget. Some common options are finger foods, sandwiches, salads, cakes, cupcakes, cookies, punch, tea, coffee, and water. Alcohol is optional, but it should be served with moderation and respect for the mom-to-be's choice. 6. What kind of games and activities should be planned? The games and activities at the baby shower should be fun and interactive, but not too embarrassing or offensive for the mom-to-be or the guests. Some popular games are bingo, trivia, word scramble, guess who, bobbing for pacifiers, diaper raffle, and advice cards. The games should also have prizes for the winners, such as candles, chocolates, or gift cards. 7. How should gifts be handled at the baby shower? The gifts at the baby shower should be thoughtful and useful for the mom-to-be and her baby. The guests should follow the registry if there is one, or ask for suggestions from the host or other guests if they are unsure what to buy. The gifts should also be wrapped nicely and labeled with tags or cards. The mom-to-be should open the gifts in front of everyone and thank each guest personally. She should also send thank you notes within 2 weeks after the party. I hope this helps you understand more about baby shower etiquette and how to plan a successful party. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. See you in the next video.